Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am doing an unboxing, and this is an unboxing of some diamond painting. Now, I had this company called newcrafta.com actually contact me and ask me about doing an unboxing and a process video showing their products of diamond painting. Now, I'll admit, guys, I had no clue what diamond painting was. So I had to search it on YouTube to get myself familiar because I had absolutely no clue. So after I did that, I did contact the company back and told them that I would be happy to. So I actually went over there and picked out some products to use, and they came in. So this is my unboxing. And what I chose was Snowmen diamond painting keychains. And that is these right here, guys. So when you get these, you actually get everything that you need. So here are my little snowmen. Aren't they just cute as a button? And you get these little things. They're actually called drills, but in the different colors. And what I like about this is you can see on the packaging, it has exactly where you put everything. So it has that on there, and then on here it has the letters or numbers or symbols or whatever it is we're doing to let you know which one corresponds to it and where to put it. So that is my snowman. And guys, I also got some cute little gnomes. Oh, they are so cute. I'm not going to pull out all the other stuff because I'll finish showing you this. It's all exactly the same. Look at these little gnomes. Are they not just the cutest? I don't know what it is about gnomes this year. Never been crazy about them, but yep. So, yep, we have our gnomes here. Aren't they so cute? Look. Cannot wait to do those. So, and I also got, guys, this one. So that was the gnomes. This is a 5D B, as in bumblebee, B-E-E, diamond painting wind chime pendant and mosaic kit. So this is going to be, wait until you see this bee, guys. Oh, it is so cute. Look at how cute that bee is. And this, it comes with everything that you need to actually put it on here. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I think when I get this done, guys, I'm actually going to hang it in my craft room. I am super excited about that one. Oh, that goes back in here. So let's put things. I can't wait for the process video, guys. I am really excited to work with this. So what you get is and they have big ones, guys, and small ones. They have big ones that you could put in a frame. I thought, though, I would just start out with something small because I wasn't familiar at all with this, but now familiar, and I cannot wait. So I just picked out some small things. So of course you get all the drills here that you need, and these are just the little, sequiny type things, but I did watch a video. They're called drills. And you also get, guys, this little container here. I'm gonna call it a boat because it looks like a boat, and if you'll look, it has little ridges in it. Now, I did go ahead and open some of these because I wanted to show you really quickly how you use this. So the reason for this little container with the little ridges is you just shake it, and if you look, the majority of them are turning right side up, so it's easier for you to pick them up. With it, you also get the pen. This is what you use to pick up your drills with. And whoopsie, I'm flinging my drills around. Pay attention, Lori, you're gonna need those. Okay, come on. Oops, there we go. Okay, and with that, you are going to need, it also comes with, like I said, the drill pen, and then it also comes with a little square piece of wax. So, and what you do is you actually put the wax inside the pen in order to pick up your drills. So that's how that works. So this is not a process video, but I'm going to go ahead and put some, you just put your pen down on it, poke it through there, and then that is how you pick up your drill. Super easy. Just put it on top of it and press down. So just that fast. Yeah, so I am super excited about this project, guys, and cannot wait to do the process video and show you guys. We'll probably do a little bit together, and then I'll do some on my own, because, you know, if not, we will probably be here forever. But yeah, in these packs, in every single pack, as you can see, you get the drill, the boat, and the wax. So you're getting every single thing that you need, and I'm really, really excited. And again, guys, this is newcraftday.com. I will also make sure that their link is below to their website, as well as the 3 links to these 3 items that I actually bought. The store is also, they also have a special going on. You spend $50 and you get 2 free products, and 5% off of your order, and that code is newcraftday05. So I will make sure that all of that is in the description box below. So that is my unboxing for newcraftday.com. This is diamond painting. Very, very excited. So we have the snowman, the gnome, and then the 5DB wind chime. Alright, guys, really excited for the process video. You guys stay tuned. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.